Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am here with you with your paper. Okay, like you today is the day of attempting your paper. We have studied the chapter and you might be very well aware of everything that we have read so far. So what do you have to do? Like this is the paper of English for class 10th and total marks 30. And in section A, you are as in our like final paper, the paper that we are going to attempt at the end of the session is going to be like, it's not going to be like this, okay? It's not going to be exactly like this, but it is the part that we have covered so far. Like this is the paper just related to that part. Okay, you have not been given the options here. We have hardly covered a few chapters. So or a chapter, it will not be wrong. So you must be well aware of, you must be 100% clear, okay, about every line, every sentence of the chapter that we have read so far. Okay, so and you have to here you have the objectives and the word is missing from the line, okay, and you have to provide or you have to fill the blank with that missing word from the line. So the first MCQ is the Prophet lifestyle, diet and manners. He was simple and dash. What is the right option? Just write the right word. Okay. The second one is the opposite of affluent is dash. We talked about each and every word in detail. Okay. Each and every expression, impression, like in detail. We talked about what is the meaning of the word or the meanings of the words, to which part of we do that belong. We have talked about all these things. And those who have watched the videos, those who have paid attention, those who have gone through the pages of their books, okay, they are not going to have any problem with these things. And the Prophet used to make his dish. Okay, what is the right option? Just write it. Okay. And the Prophet also helped his companion in digging ditch. What is that? Like, you have to write the right option here as well. And no problem here. This is everything is so simple. Like, and the meaning of infancy is dash. So you have to write the meaning of infancy here as well, and you are going to have this such MCQs in your papers and your final exams as well. So make your mind clear, and while reading, while learning, while preparing MCQs, so you must think about MCQs in this way. And then section B, and here you have few questions, and the first question is, what is meant by simplicity and humility? Okay, so you have to write the proper answer for this, and if you can write add reference at the end of your answer, okay, write, yes, do that. And the pattern, the writing, each and every, and the length of the answer must be correct. Like if you're asking, if you want to get 5 marks out of 5, so what do you have to do? You have to write 5 sentences at least, and grammatically correct. Okay. So, and the next question is, how did Prophet treat his foster sister? And the same here. The answer can be of one line, but you will not be given 5 marks for writing one line. So you have to provide at least 5 sentences, small or lengthy, short or long. That doesn't matter. But grammatically correct sentences, so you may get enough marks for writing your answers. So this is it. And section C. In section C, you are going to write a brief summary of lesson simplicity and humility of Prophet, peace be upon him, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this is, and you may know about how to write the summary. So you have to write the summary and write the summary, attempt the questions and the MCQs. Send your papers to us. Okay, so we may check these papers for you. See you in the next lecture. Bye for now.